So we want to be able to provide students with the opportunity to work and study in a leading class environment, be able to understand how the drones are built, not just for recreational use but also for industrial use, and just give them the opportunity to see, if they came here to study, how this would work out. The students start out with learning the basic theory of a drone, what makes up the components, from the motors to the speed controllers to the battery, and at that point we get very hands-on. So we start out by building drones out of wood, very common materials, and then we test fly them here at the hangar, and then before we go outside to fly.
Well, I didn't have any experience in drones and wanted to get some experience, and compared to all the other courses, this was pretty hands-on and I really liked that. I managed to get to know a lot of new people, especially here at the dorms and also here at the SDU UAS Center. My colleague and I were working 2 intensive weeks at this project and we became friends.
I think I'm gonna choose the drone for my master's degree, so it felt like kind of an obvious choice to, just get the basics. Doing a bit of computer vision as well, which we're also gonna do the next semester, so it's really just a good course to get started. It doesn't matter that we have to get up at 7 o'clock, because it's nice to get here and time goes by quickly.
We make sure that we cover all the aspects of drones in terms of the operations side of things, so how you can do things with laws. We also talk about the image processing, so we touch a bit onto this, and also we talk about how you can operate and review your drones, to talking about the control aspects. So we try to touch on 3 or 4 different areas which are key to designing and building drones. As a building, we have 2 to 3 days to be able to construct and build the drones, and then we have at least 3 or 4 days of flying. In the course so far, each of the teams has crashed at least once. We embrace it and say that if you are crashing, then you're doing things right. It's a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of people from all different backgrounds of life, and you get to fly things without any worry of hurting your own pocket.
I would heavily recommend it, because it's just very fun and we just enjoy being here.
I recommended it to all the other people at where I'm staying at the dorms, the other people that are doing here the summer school at SDU, that they should definitely take this course, and some already said that they are gonna do this next year.